Okay, so step one, you said was to take the meat out of the freezer. Of course, step one was washing your hands, which you did off camera. Um, let's. Okay, so what are you going to use to make the burger? Is it going to be in this one here, in this one here, or this one here? Go ahead and grab it and put your pan in place. Super awesome. Let's try not to burn the place down. And we're going to put the pot handle in so we don't bump into it. Oh, that's loose there. I don't know why that... The one time he goes to do this, it breaks off. Let's put this over here. Okay. Oh, what are you doing with that? You're going to spray some of that into the pan so it doesn't stick. Perfect. And then put the... They're two stuck together. How do we unstick them together when they're stuck like that?
Oh. You take off these.
Super good. Okay, and then this one's ready to go in. And I think it's going to be that one there. It's kind of trial and error. You press and go all the way. And when the fire starts, you go a little lower. Nicely done. And then, let's move this out of the way. What do we leave this on the counter overnight, or do? Oh, yeah, that goes back in the freezer. Super awesome. Excellent. We've got some non-verbal demonstrative video on making a burger. How are we going to turn the burger? Are you going to use your fingers? Oh, you're looking for the spatula now. Good job. And we're going to flip it once. And then we're going to kind of let it cook for a while. We may have to turn off the video while it's cooking. But we're going to come back in just a few minutes.